Hello students, I am again here with one more important question for your Java interview preparation. What is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? See, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. And JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, see, suppose you are practicing your Java programs. Then what are the steps here? See, you will write your Java program, then you will compile that, then you will run that program and you will check the output whether it is correct or not. Getting means there are multiple processes while development of your Java application. Like you will write that program, then you will compile, you will debug, again you will execute that Java program. Now these all steps if you want to do, then you would need JDK to be installed on your computer system. This JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software package, you can say, and it will provide you the tools or environments necessary for creation of your Java application and execution of your Java application. Means you can write Java program using this JDK. Again you can execute, you can run your Java program with the help of this JDK. Means JDK will provide you the environment to write your Java program and again execute. Means development as well as execution both possible with the help of this JDK. Now what does it mean, this JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Environment, means only run, only execute. If you want to only execute your Java program, you don't want to develop. Means for example, suppose you have developed any Java application and you have given it to any client or any end user. Then on end user system, there is no need of any development tools, development package. Okay, because on the client system, client is not going to write your Java application, modify your Java application, again compile your Java application, nothing. Your client will only execute the Java application. Whatever executable file that you have to give to the client, and that will be only executed. Getting Java Runtime Environment is an environment for only execution of your Java program. Getting my point? Okay, see, Java Development Kit means develop as well as execute, develop as well as run. Okay, whatever needed, that is everything is present inside Java Development Kit. JRE means only to execute your Java program, whatever needed, that environment this JRE will provide you. Means on client machine only JRE is okay. No need of JDK. Now what is the JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. See, this is very much important point. This is very much important software tool. This is actually an interpreter. See, don't go for this machine. Machine means it is not any hardware component. It is a software totally. It is an interpreter. Getting first you write your Java program and that is called as a source file. And that source file is nothing but .java file. Okay, let test.java. Now you will compile it, Java C command you will use and you will compile it and it will create a .class file. Now see here, this will be test.class file. Now what you will do, you will give Java command and then you will get output. Okay, actually your program will get executed. In this way the steps are. If you want to do everything whatever written here, then you need JDK. Okay, if you want to only execute your Java program, then you need JRE. Getting JDK as well as JRE both are having one important component, that is nothing but JVM. Now JVM is an interpreter that is responsible to execute a .class file. That's it. Okay, now in this diagram again I have explained. See, this is a JDK. JDK means it is having JRE internally and some development tools. Means development tools required for development of your Java program, and this JRE for execution of Java program means to develop as well as to run whatever needed. That environment will be provided by this JDK. Okay, now JRE is a part of JDK. Okay, again it is available as a separate package also. Only JRE if you need, then that is again available, that only you can install as a JRE package, that is only for execution on client machine, on end user system you can install this JRE only. JRE is internally having JVM plus some set of libraries and other files. Some extra libraries or files are required, then those are present, and plus JVM is present there inside JRE. Now this JVM is a Java virtual machine, that is an interpreter, and it is responsible for execution of .class file. .class file means it is a bytecode, means whenever, see, this bytecode will be generated after compilation. Java compiler is present inside JDK, not inside JRE. Getting? Means this development tools, it is including that compiler or debugger again. And this JRE is only having JVM, that is an interpreter. And this JVM is internally having multiple components actually. Now let me clear you once again. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It provides environment to develop as well as run Java applications. It is internally having JRE and some development tools. The development tools means internally it may have a Java compiler, you can say debugger, again some other components which are required for development of Java application. Means you can write here like this, see, JDK equals to this JRE plus development tools. Getting? This JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which provides an environment to execute Java application, not develop. Means on client system or end user system this JRE is present, you can write like this, JRE is equals to JVM. It is a very much important part of JDK as well as JRE and some other libraries, let's set of libraries which are required for execution of a Java program. Getting? Now JVM, what it will do, it will take one line of your .class file, that is a bytecode actually. It will take one line of your .class file and execute it. Second line, execute it. Third line, execute it. That's why it is also called as a interpreter. Now JVM is a Java virtual machine that is responsible for execution of your .class file. Now always remember that JVM is a platform dependent and your Java application is platform independent. Why? Because Java application you can run on any machine. There is no any dependency on the platform operating system. Okay, means suppose you have developed your Java application on Windows operating system and you want to execute it on Mac operating system. Okay, fine, you can do that because on Windows operating system you have developed your Java application. Just generate .class file by compilation, and after that, that class file you can execute on machine which is having Mac OS or Linux also. Only that Mac OS system should have internally JVM installed on it. That JVM is platform dependent. All operating systems are having their own respective JVM, and that JVM is capable of executing any .class file. Okay, because that .class file is a bytecode that is same for all operating system, but whatever executable file that will be generated by that JVM, that is platform dependent, that will be executed on that platform only. Getting? That's why JVM is a platform dependent, that is again a software tool. Getting? This is all about difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. JVM is a part of JRE and JRE is a part of JDK. In this way also you can represent the linking between JDK, JRE and JVM. Getting? Now that's it about this difference. In the next session we will see one more important question for your Java interview preparation. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.